Wow, look at this pretty male cardinal out here. He is out here eating some of the sunflower seeds. They love the sunflower seeds more than anything. Huh. This is dinner time here in Tennessee. Oh, I see a baby one here in this bush. Let's see if I can get a close-up of her. Yeah, she just seems to be looking at me. How funny. Yeah, hi. They do get to know us pretty well because our kitchen windows are right here. I'd say probably about 8 feet from the feeder. So our little birds get pretty tame. That's just the little baby one. There she is. There she is. She's a cutie. She's been out here all day. Her parents have brought her out here and said, okay, this is where you go to eat. She's even got some head feathers, so yeah, she's doing well. She's a cutie pie. And then we have a lot of blue jays. Yes, they love the mealworms. And we've had some baby bluebirds. Baby blue jays out here. Yeah, he's a young one. He doesn't have head feathers yet. How cute. This mealworm feeder, they will do practically anything. They'll practically stand on their head to get these mealworms out. Yep, he fell. Okay, now, well, doesn't look like he scared her away. Oh, be nice. There's plenty for everybody. Ooh, she's going to stand her ground. Sassy girl. Oh, how funny. Usually the blue jays win. But she's like, no, these are my sunflower seeds. Look at her. She's like, I'm not going anywhere, buddy. Feisty girl. I just love watching them. Oh goodness, and our pigeons, they're as big as chickens, honestly. We have a little flock of them. And little buddy, he absolutely loves chasing them. Oh yes, and this is the little female towhee I showed you in the other video. Yes, we're definitely her home. Yay. I love them. Well, this little female cardinal, she's a hungry girl. I guess for all that feist, you got to eat. Okay, and all the blue jays are starting to come now. Yes. It's definitely dinner time here in Tennessee. And here's one of the older female cardinals. She's a pretty girl. Yes, she has head feathers and everything. Something scared them. And here's a baby male cardinal. And that looks like a red pole over there. Lots going on in my feeders today. And this little towhee, she's looking at the pigeon like, man, you eat a lot. Here's the blue jay again. I was trying to see if maybe one of the chickadees would show up. They're usually around this time of day. I love watching my birds. Very fun, very soothing thing to do. They know this is a great place to come. We've fed these birds for years. Probably ever since we've been in this house, which has been about 15 years. Oh, I'm so glad I got a shot of this one. Yes, the hummingbirds are still here. September 1st, so they're still flying around. Yay. Well, I was hoping that the chickadees would show up, but I'll try to get those in the next video. These little baby cardinals are still out here. And of course, we have a flock of mourning doves. I love to hear them in the evening. So I'll end the video, and you all have a great day, and be highly favored, deeply loved, and greatly blessed. And thank you for bird watching with me. We'll talk to you all next time.